All right, hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we're looking at Chapter 2, Section 2.2. In today's lesson, we're going to take kind of a deep dive into the birth of civilizations as they transformed from cultural hearths. We're going to learn what the 5 traits of civilizations are, the characteristics of a civilization, and then we're going to take a deep dive into each of the 5 characteristics, or 5 traits. Our main idea for this chapter is that a civilization is a complex society that is defined by 5 key traits. So cultural hearths prepared the way for the next development in human history, civilization. Ancient cultures around the world transformed complex civilizations at about the same time, and they had 5 traits or characteristics in common: cities, complex institutions, specialized workers, record keeping, and improved technology. So the first civilizations were born in cities. More than just large population centers, early cities were political, economic, and cultural centers for the surrounding areas. Cities often contained monumental architecture, usually dedicated to religion or government. The city's heart was its trading center, where farmers and merchants met to conduct business. Trade, or the exchange of goods, allowed some civilizations to grow very rich. Some merchants traveled long distances to trade goods with other groups. Over time, they established trade routes, which helped spread ideas and practices. So as cities developed, complex institutions such as government and organized religion emerged as ways to manage resources and population. Government, or an organization set up to make and enforce rules in a society, provided leadership and laws. Organized religion bound communities together through shared beliefs. Food surpluses that were made possible by the agricultural revolution. Remember, we learned about that last section, the rise of farming and things like that. So these food surpluses led to settled communities and to another key characteristic of civilizations: specialized workers. Specialized workers performed jobs other than farming. Some people specialized in pottery, metalworking, weaving, or tool making. Others became government officials, priests, teachers, soldiers, or merchants. So as societies developed, they had to manage information. Record keeping, which is defined as organizing and storing information, became a really important job. Specialized workers called scribes recorded business transactions, important events, customs, traditions, and laws. So the first writing systems used pictographs that looked like the things they represented, such as wavy lines for water. This is similar to if you've ever seen like hieroglyphs from Egyptian culture, is a type of pictograph. Eventually, complex writing systems helped people to record important information and more abstract ideas. And as writing developed, so did calendar keeping. So the last key characteristic, key trait that civilizations have in common is improved technology. As cultures became more complex, people developed new tools and techniques to solve problems and survive. Advances in technologies included metalworking methods, inventions such as the wheel and the plow, tools to create everyday items like the potter's wheel. At the bottom of the slide, you'll see on the right an example of an old wheel, and on the left, you'll see what ancient pottery wheels may have looked like when they were assembled. All right, so to wrap up, the thing I want you guys to remember from this chapter is that there are 5 traits of a civilization. Those 5 traits are cities, complex institutions, specialized workers, record keeping, and improved technology. Thanks for listening, guys. Go ahead and check back in Canvas to see what your next job is, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.